Hi there, in this video I am going to show you that how to get AI manga filter on TikTok account. So let me open my TikTok first. At the home page you have to just click on the search icon at the very top right corner of the page and then search here AI manga filter. You can also search here manga filter as well. Now you have to scroll down and so here you will find such type of the options. You have to select the first one AI manga and then click on the video icon in front of it, and here you will open your camera of TikTok. Then you have to click a photo here, like you can also add another photo from your gallery. So basically it will take a while for uploading to 100% here, so make sure that you have focused your face, and yes, you have done it successfully. Then now you have to just click on the recording option here. The processing of this converting will take a while, so you have to be patient. You can choose any of the effect that you want to choose for your face, and the processing is almost done here, and yes, it has been done successfully. And now you can post it to your TikTok page. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.